This is the Programmer Owl, and in this video I am going to be walking through the Edabit Python challenge, Word Without First Character. And in this challenge they want you to create a function that takes a word and returns the new word without including the first character. So we just want to lop off that first letter. And if you go to resources, you'll see they have a lot of different ways that you could attack this problem, but I kind of found a simpler method that I ended up liking better, because you could do things like remove or slice or do a substring and whatnot. And what I ended up doing was return word. And like if I just wanted to return the first letter, I would just do return word 0 and it would just give me the first letter. But I want everything except for the first letter. So if 0 is the index for the first letter, I would want 1 to the end of the word. And so I would keep this square bracket situation, but I would start off at 1 because I don't want the 0, which is technically the first place of, or the first letter of the string, and then everything afterwards. So to get everything except for the first letter, I'm going to start at 1 because that's technically the second place in the string, and everything until the end of the word, and that should pass the test. Yes, that is what worked. So that is one way, one method of solving this challenge, printing off or returning words without their first character.